Hey beauty. So today in this video I'm going to be trying the viral miracle knots, and the hair that I'm using is from QVR hair. This is their Afro Kinky bulk human hair in 20 inches, and this is in natural color. And if you like this hair and you want to try it out, I will link it down below, and also you can use the coupon code that's displayed on the screen to save some coins. So here is my braid down. So I decided to do individuals around the perimeter, and then in the middle, I'm just going to do some cornrows. And here is the amount of hair I'm using. And so I'm just going to start braiding the hair onto my end. And once I get all that in, then I'm just going to start crocheting the hair into the braid. Now, I did loop the hair in once, and that was secure enough for me, but if you want, you can double knot it. And this is the amount of hair that I'm using to crochet the pieces onto the braid. Now I am going to split this piece into two pieces. Just going to pull the hair through the loop once, and I'm only going to do one piece on each braid in the back. And once I get further in the front, I will add multiple pieces. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I like this hair because it's easy to separate and it's super soft. And as you can see, I'm adding multiple pieces onto the braid now that I am in the front. and define the curls on one side, and I'm going to show you how I define the curls and what products I use. And I'm also using a water bottle. And I am defining the curls with Curl Mix Flaxseed Gel and Hair Diagrams Styling Mousse. Now this mousse smells so good. If you want to check this mousse out, I will link it down below. Now here is the final look. It looks so beautiful, y'all. The curls are so gorgeous. This hair really surprised me with how it curled. It curled really well. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and always remember, you are wonderful, you are amazing, and you are beautiful, and I'll see you next time.